Hi, this is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm making the viral air fryer TikTok chicken wings recipe video. Ingredients you need is some plain unmarinated chicken wings, a little bit spicy, so I'm going to use red chili flakes, Cajun, and some chopped chives. First, add in a little bit of Cajun, not too much, otherwise it'll get salty. Then add in some red chili flakes, not too much. And a little bit of chives. And then mix. Now begin mixing the chicken wings. And you don't need to add in any sauce because this is a dry marinade. So it's a dry rub marinade. So just lightly mix the chicken wings and make sure you cover it all around with the spices. Now set the air fryer to 25 minutes and begin and wait for it to preheat and then put in the chicken wings into the air fryer. Now time to add in the chicken wings into the air fryer. So it'll go in like this. So I use this and I put it in like this. And it is ready to be air fried. So I'm not using too many wings, although I could, so I'm only using a little bit. So here you go. The chicken wings are halfway done cooking, so there's probably another 10 minutes left, and then after that it's ready. Now it's time to turn the wings, and here's a glimpse on how they look. So you can see. So now it's time to turn the wings. So I just flip them like this. And you can see they're already halfway crispy. So just flip them like this. And then a few more minutes and then they'll be done. So no oil, no nothing. Very easily done. Now it's time to take out the wings. So they are crispy and they look like this. So it's time to take them out. So I'm just going to take out the wings. So take out the plug for this because that is for safety. So the wings come out. You could see all crispy wings. And that's done. Now time to add in the sweet chili sauce. So I'm making sweet chili air fried chicken wings, which I should have mentioned earlier. So a whole bunch of sauce goes in, not too much. This is what's left. And now what I do is I take a plate. And then I just have to just shake this in here like this. So I do it in transparent bowl so you can see how it goes. And now that's ready. And so now it's time to put the wings on the plate. So it goes on like this, and then the topping for that. So I'm just going to put in the leftover sauce in here. So that goes on top. Now I'm just going to put in some herbs. So I'm using Italian herbs, but you can use any kind. So just going to put it on top and just flip the wings. Now here you have is some air fryer sweet chili chicken wings. So watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels, and thank you for watching.